Hello, this is Jesse on MultiSoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Today we're going to go and focus on the shipping configuration, which can be found here on the company, shipping settings. Then you're going to click here on shipping configuration. You will need to determine if you're going to charge shipping for your products, which are physical items, and how to set up the shipping. First thing you're going to do is determine if you're going to be using real-time integration with UPS, USPS, DHL, or FedEx. Then, if that's the case, you're going to select real-time integration, click Save and Close. If you're not going to be using real-time integration, let's say you're going to use ShipStation or ShipWorks, and you want to set up your own rate calculation, you can select either shipping by sale total or shipping by weight total. This is very important because depending on our shipping configuration, we need to set it up here. So first option is real-time integration. This is where if you need to select real-time integration, so real-time rates can be displayed automatically based on the user's location, we will need to change this option here to real-time integration. Once this is saved, then that means we need to go to UPS's website, USPS, DHL, or FedEx to sign up for web APIs, so that way we can plug it in here in the software and then start testing the different rates that will appear based on the shipping company you will sign up, the web APIs. So that's real-time integration. And everything can be configured here on the company, shipping settings, real-time integration, and then we click here on shipping providers. That's where we're going to make sure we enter the username, password, and the URLs and everything else for the shipping provider. Next is shipping by sale total. This will work even more efficiently if you're working with ShipStation or ShipWorks or any other fulfillment centers that we are fully integrated with, where you have more control on setting your own shipping rates. Same rules apply here with shipping by weight total. So the difference is shipping by sale total is going to be focusing on the total amount of the order versus the total amount of weight for the order in the software. Now, if we go under shipping settings and we click here on shipping by sale total, let's say you have the shipping method here, you click on the shipping method name, and then you can see everything with the configuration. So you see the method name here, so you can change this. It will be placed as a fixed price, so you need to also verify that you have shipping by sale total enabled and saved. Make sure that available is enabled. Free shipping if order exceeds. This does not include tax, fees, or packaging and handling. If you ever want to offer free shipping for orders that go over a certain amount or a certain value, let's say free shipping on orders over $75. So what you need to do is set the correct value here to $74.99. Why do we have to set the value here to 1 cent less? Because in the software is not going to trigger the free shipping on $75. Or if you're going to offer free shipping on orders over $100, you cannot set the value to $100. It will always need to be a cent less than the original value. But that's just an example where you can set the free shipping to. Here on the available states/provinces, you can create different regions for different countries, and then it will be added here on the left. To select it, you would just need to select the country or the province, and then click Add Selected, so that way it could be part of that chosen state/province area on the right. Down here, we have the rate calculation by sale total. So this is where you're going to set up your own rate pricing for shipping when it comes to shipping by sale total. So to begin or to get started, you're going to click here on the plus sign, and then you're going to change the endpoint because you cannot change the start point. The start point for the first time is always going to start with 0.01 cent. So then let's say you want to put the endpoint here to $50, and then you want to charge distributors, which is the shipment rate, so let's say $7, and customers get charged a little bit more, so let's say $9. And then for the first row, maybe for auto ship, you're not going to charge anything when it comes to auto ship. And once you're done here, you click on update, then you have the second row. So this will allow you to continue this process flow of setting your own shipping charges, not only for customers, but also for distributors. And then you also have the ability to charge auto ship for distributors and customers when it comes to shipping. So this also works with shipping by weight total. The only difference is you have to focus on the total amount of the weight for the order when it comes to your physical items, or in this case, your physical orders. Then the last one, under shipping settings, we go to real-time integration. Let's visit shipping providers. Okay, so we can click on one of the logos here, and it will open up in a new window. So that way it takes us directly to the page where we need to sign up for the developer tools or the web APIs. If we click here for FedEx, for example, it should take us directly to that FedEx web services page. And this is where we're going to select the web APIs, and then it would just take us to these 4 little steps here. Now, if you do have a FedEx account, then all you need to do is log in into your FedEx account, and then start with step 1, documentation and downloads, and then go through the other steps. Once all the other steps are completed after testing on our end, then your account will be updated from testing to production or live, and then we can go back to the software, click here on FedEx, and FedEx is going to email you all the information for the URL, your account number, meter number, key, and security code. Once we have that updated in the software, then we can go back to shipping settings. Under real-time integration, click on shipping methods, and this is where we can set up the shipping methods for FedEx. So here we're going to enable FedEx Ground. If you need to enable FedEx second day, then just click on the switch here so that way it can be enabled. Now let's go ahead and click on FedEx Ground so we can take a look at the settings. Here is going to be a little bit different since we're going to be dealing with real-time integration. So the method name is going to be FedEx Ground. Shipping provider for real-time integration, you have FedEx selected. If you want to enter a minimum order shipping amount, then you can enter the value here. Carrier code is going to be FedEx Ground. Here you have also FedEx Express, so you can create a new FedEx Express shipping method if it's needed. Delivery method, we have ground home delivery since that's the one that will work effectively. Type of service, this is the options we have for types of service. We have handling fee. This is where if you want to add an extra amount for the handling fee, this could also cover the cost of supplies for the company. Then you can enter, let's say $5 or $7. And once you update this amount here, what's going to happen is, let's say that I place an order and I live in Massachusetts. What I want to do is make sure that the handling fee is added. So let's say FedEx is going to charge me $11 for shipping, and you add $7 here for the handling fee. So that's going to be $18 in total. So it's not going to display 2 different shipping amounts. It's going to show only 1 shipping amount. So the handling fee is going to be included with the rates from FedEx. And then you also have the option here to add or enable free shipping. So once again, when it comes to free shipping, just make sure that it's entered with a cent less than the original value. Available, it will be enabled. And if you need to create a different shipping method that will only appear for administrators when logged in, so if you want to bypass shipping, then you can set the value to $0. And then make sure that the country or province is selected here and added under chosen state/province. And that's going to cover the different areas and aspects when it comes to adding orders in the software, if you need to manually add an order for a user in the software, how to search for orders once they're completed in the software, and also working with different shipping methods and the shipping configuration in the software. Please let us know if you have any questions regarding these training calls. You can always submit tickets to the help desk system by visiting multisoft.bestdarncrm.com or by giving us a call here in the office at 239-945-6433. Thank you.